Hello, today we are going to discuss about IELTS speaking part 1, and in the first few videos we have discussed about the overview of IELTS. Second video was about the marking criteria, and this video is specifically about IELTS speaking. This is comparatively one of the most easiest part. What we have in this part, the first thing that you may have over here is the basic question about your personality, about your profession, about your family members, and so on. There are some questions that are pet in nature, followed by some topic-specific questions such as maybe about the food, about your free time, about your education, about your traveling, about your family members, about your hometown, and so on. There can be a variety of topics that can be discussed over here. So it will last for 4 to 5 minutes. So how would you prepare yourself for IELTS speaking part 1? To begin with, despite we have the 4 basic criteria for speaking that you should have in your mind, which includes your grammatical range accuracy, your lexical resources, your pronunciation and fluency in speaking part. We still have something that would be helpful for you in your IELTS speaking is your confidence and the body language. So you need to work on your confidence as well, when specifically at time of delivery when you are giving the answer. Remember that do not memorize your answer. Try your level best to answer as much as you can with your natural response rather than memorizing something. Be calm. Take natural pauses rather than having hesitation. You should have natural pauses, and accordingly you can answer the question as per the demand. So first of all, there might be some pet question. They can ask you, let's say, who are you, where are you from, what is your educational qualification? So these are the questions that should have the natural answer. You should not memorize some of the statements. You have to think that what should and how should I respond it. You can make your own notes of the answer and then practice in front of mirror. That is followed by the topic specific question. These are critical because the tenses are important, such as if they can ask you a question, which kind of school you had attended when you were a child. So you can see inside the question, we had 2 tenses, past perfect and past simple. So when you will be giving your answer, you have to use variety of tenses, by the way. Try to answer in 2 tenses, past perfect and past simple. Try not to use the similar word that has been used in the question. So you have to answer the question in 2 tenses, past perfect and past simple. They can ask you what mode of transportation you prefer to use for traveling, right? Or for job, or for, let's say, household chores. So basically, you can see the question itself about the present tense. Try your level best that you can answer in the present tense. Although you have an ability to play with the tenses like present simple, present perfect. This is something related to tenses because most of us have problem in generating our answers in IELTS exam, and we are not careful with tenses use and their accuracy. The second thing will be the vocabulary. So a pro tip for you, try to work on your synonym range. When you're practicing for part A at home or in any academy, whenever the examiner is going to ask you the question, you may remember the question or write down this question, and the main keyword should be paraphrase when you're answering it. How can you do it? You have IELTS book from the Cambridge. You can see the question and try to find the keywords or synonyms for those keywords. And then this is not something that can be done in one day. You will find the keywords, then you'll practice to use those synonyms of keywords in appropriate manner, so that you might not have penalty for repetition of the words. And the fluency need practice and confidence. You have to speak with your friend, family member, record yourself. Thank you to the mobile technologies. Now you can record yourself on the mobile. You can listen it again, and you can speak in front of mirror. So these are some of the methods that can lift your score for IELTS speaking. And still, if you need any help there, M&M Institute is there for your help, because we have a comprehensive classes and examination system where you will be given an opportunity to practice your speaking session with one of our interlocutor or examiner with a personalized feedback on your mistake that you would make in your speaking session. So join M&M so that you may have a chance to get your IELTS done in first attempt. Thank you.